Chapter 3. What is Six Sigma? In this chapter, you will learn what is Six Sigma, what is the Six Sigma philosophy, what are the benefits of Six Sigma, what are the different opinions on the definitions of Six Sigma. Six Sigma is a structured and disciplined process designed to deliver perfect products and services on a consistent basis. It aims at improving the bottom line by finding and eliminating the cause of mistakes and defects in business processes. A wide range of companies have found that when the Six Sigma philosophy is fully embraced, the enterprise thrives. What is this Six Sigma philosophy? Several definitions have been proposed. The threads common to these definitions are use of teams that are assigned well-defined projects that have direct impact on the organization's bottom line. Training in statistical thinking at all levels and providing key people with extensive training in advanced statistics and project management. These key people are designated as black belts. Emphasis on the DMAC approach to problem solving. DMAC stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. A management environment that supports these initiatives as a business strategy. Opinions on the definition of Six Sigma can differ. Six Sigma as a philosophy. The philosophical perspective views all work as processes that can be defined, measured, analyzed, improved, and controlled. Processes require inputs and produce outputs. If you control the inputs, you will control the outputs. This is generally expressed as the Y is equal to the function of X concept. Six Sigma as a set of tools. Six Sigma as a set of tools include all the qualitative and quantitative techniques used by the Six Sigma expert to drive process improvement. A few such tools include the 7 basic tools of quality. There is probably little agreement among Six Sigma professionals as to what constitutes the tool set. Six Sigma as a methodology. This view of Six Sigma recognizes the underlying and rigorous approach known as DMAC. DMAC defines the steps a Six Sigma practitioner is expected to follow, starting with identifying the problem and ending with the implementation of long-lasting solutions. While DMAC is not the only Six Sigma methodology in use, it is certainly the most widely adopted and recognized. Six Sigma as a metric. In simple terms, Six Sigma quality performance means 3.4 defects per million opportunities. Summary. In this chapter, you learnt Six Sigma is a structured and disciplined process designed to deliver perfect products and services on a consistent basis. Several definitions of the Six Sigma philosophy. We also understood the opinions on Six Sigma as a philosophy, set of tools, methodology, and matrix.